Hello everybody, this is the last past memory and achievements that I been tagged in a few years ago. This is my first ever flying lesson in taking in a helicopter. So I'm gonna play how I experienced it in the heights. You see a lot of great comments saying that I did very well. That I had a great achievement. It was the day before my 21st birthday. So this was in 2017. But there you see me in the front, along with the pilot. We're about to take off. There you see a plane passing by. It takes a while for a helicopter to officially take off from the ground. For the takeoff. There we go. Now I'm off the ground. I'm controlling the helicopter on my own. The pilot instructs me what to do and what to press. But I do all the controls and I also do the landing. So I officially land the helicopter as well at the very end of the lesson. You see me go forwards, controlling it. So that's the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this very well. It was a great experience. I got a great certificate at the end, along with my very first play lesson, which was after the lesson. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and good luck to all of you. Thank you for watching. Adios.